This is the Monster Jam Grave Digger Trax, and this thing's pissed me off. This thing cost me almost $60. So today we're not only going to be putting this thing to the test, but we're also going to be comparing it to the new bright Badzilla. Oh, you thought I was done? You guys are in for a treat because I will also be comparing the Grave Digger to its long ancestors, the almost 30 years old OG undisputed cars of our childhoods, and the kings of the tank track RC cars, the one, the only Tyco Fast Traxx. At almost 30 years old, there's no better way to see if the new kid on the block, the Grave Digger Trax, can keep up with, and let alone beat, the OGs that came before it. So here you have it, folks. The almost $60 Monster Jam Grave Digger Trax in all its cheaply 3D printed glory. And of course, it comes with the usual flimsy, cheaply made 3D printed 2.4 gigahertz controller that we all have come to love, or, well, in this case, hate. God, these things are terrible. Now, to give it some credit, the box does say that this thing can, in fact, do wheelies, which would separate it from the rest of the Tank Trax RC cars. And this thing does have one more trick up its sleeve that you guys will later see that none of the other cars can do. But does it make it worth $60? Please let me know, because so far this thing has not won me over at all. You guys are about to see why. All right, well, that's enough yapping. Let's put this overpriced cheese grater to the test. Wow. Wow, 7 seconds in. All right, and now for the part you've all been waiting for. And that's how well does this overpriced shoe rack stack up against the legends that came before it. All right, so there will be 6 tests. First, we'll have a dirt test, then a gravel test, a grass test. Of course, we can't leave out the head-to-head race. And finally, the trademark Tank-Nado test. Let the games begin. Three, 2, 1, go. Shit, hold on, back up. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we'll start off the race against the oldest Fast Traxx. There's no reason in putting it up against the more modern version. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yeah.
Damn.
Oh, it's still no chance. All right, last chance. Kansas $60 Grave Digger. Redeem itself against a 30-year-old cheap RC. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Now, one thing I will give the Grave Digger Trax is that it comes with a simpler control scheme as opposed to the old tank, the OG ones where it's a little bit more it's not as user friendly, and there is a little bit of more of a learning curve because both controls go up and down. Here it's a little bit simpler. You can go right or left or up and down, but it still has a tank tread. All right, guys, and now, at least my favorite test, we're gonna do the Tank-Nado test. Every single one of these is gonna take a turn doing their trademark Tank-Nado, and then we'll end up doing it here with the Grave Digger Trax. Let me know in the comments if it holds up against the OGs. Here we go. And like I promised you guys, the Grave Digger Trax, although it seems to be a pretty mediocre RC, it does have one more trick up its sleeve that the rest of these other RC cars can't do, so check it out. This thing actually drives on water. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. You're just gonna place it there, let her rip. Damn, it actually drives better on water than it does on land. That's pretty cool. Whoa, oh my God. Oh no. Yeah. Well, folks, there you have it. That was my review on the Monster Jam Grave Digger Trax. Now you guys saw how this overpriced tuna can stacked up against the legends that came before it. So what do you guys think? Is it worth this $60 price tag? I want to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. This is what I think. Ah.